Okay, everyone, a little bit excited about this. This is a new product from Eufy Security. Specifically, it's a video doorbell with 2K resolution. Eufy actually just announced this past week. I was lucky enough to pick it up on Amazon, and it was delivered today. So, looking forward to do just a quick unboxing for you. Kind of show you what's in the box, and then gonna go over some of the specs. Go ahead and install this and put it through its paces. So, hold on. So let's first just kind of go over some of the specs of this thing. Again, like I said before, it's a 2K resolution, not 4K. So if you want 4K, you're gonna have to buy two of them and put them next to each other. Just kidding. So first thing up, the high dynamic range. You'll find that in the new Nest Hello. So high dynamic range is gonna allow you to have better contrast or better picture when there's a high contrast area. So if it's bright and dark in one area in your front porch, it should show you a better picture. Free local storage, that is going to be awesome. So instead of having it send things out to the cloud or send things up to an uploaded stream somewhere, it actually stores it on the device itself. I think from what I've read, it's 4 gigabytes of storage. And I think it uses the MP4 encoding, so it should store a lot of video. Last is human detection. So instead of notifications going off every time it sees a tree blowing or sees some kind of neighborhood cat, it's actually going to suppress that and only show a notification when there is a human, which is nice. Again, on the back we have something that's for the viewing. It is 160 degrees wide angle, which is again larger than most doorbells that we've seen. We also have hardwire noise cancellation, so that's something different. I haven't seen that before. It is IP65 waterproof. An indoor chime is included. Again, that's something I think you have to purchase separately with a product like Ring or Ring Pro. So that's kind of a nice included option there. Has night vision, and again, instant notifications. So if we look at some of the actual specs on here, you can kind of see the sizing. It's very similar in size to the Ring Pro, kind of from what I remember in terms of those specs. It is only 2.4 gigahertz for Wi-Fi. I know some of the newer products support both 2.4 and 5. This again only supports 2.4. So we'll see in terms of responsiveness and how this thing stays connected, see if that's a detriment or not. So, all right. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we have inside. All right. Talks a little bit about some of the other products that Eufy has here. So again, they have Eufy Cam E, the other Eufy Cam, some entry sensors or contact sensors. Looks like they're going to be coming out with a floodlight as well sometime this year, and then a baby monitor. So this just kind of goes into or connects into a lot of their other products. Looks like we have a pin type thing. I think for the Nest Hello, this is something similar. If you need to get to the device or reset it, there's a kind of a pin. And then it looks like the quick start guide in terms of instructions and how to do things. So, do this part first. Looks like this is the included chime, which comes with the product. Again, for other systems, this is kind of an add-on or an additional purchase. So it's nice to see that Eufy has included this chime, with the pricing of it. And kind of talking of pricing, I was able to pick this up for $112. For some reason, they went on sale. They had a $50 off sale. Normally, it's $159. So it's kind of nice just getting right involved, getting quick discount on this right when it was released. But for the doorbell itself, you can kind of look at it here. It's pretty high gloss. Only comes in black. But just to kind of give you a size. I mean, to me it looks great. It feels like it's pretty high quality. Comes with the 2 wired pins in the back, setup code, and then also kind of a reset button on here. So definitely a nice, to me, a nice looking product. So, and then in the bottom, looks like we have we have the US plug, and then we have some extension cords and some other cabling. So there you go. So one other piece that I missed for the unboxing is actually, it looks like Eufy has included a few brackets or kind of adjusters for the doorbell. And again, this is something that is normally, added accessory. So it looks like there's the mounting plate itself, and then I think this is a 15-degree, kit to actually, move the doorbell in terms of the camera angle. So again, this is, with the angle bracket, the chime, and the doorbell itself for $159. I think that's a great value. So what we're going to do is go ahead and install this. I currently have a Ring Pro, which I'll be taking off, and go ahead and try to install this and kind of go from there.